Hi guys, it's Friday once again. So here are a couple of poems that would have gone into your poem folders this week. So I'll send them to you today. First one's Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. I missed this one on Wednesday, so I'll send it today. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recycle, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's easy to do. Because your trash and my trash make up too much trash. Reduce, reuse, recycle, it's easy to do. And the second one is Rainbows, to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, violet, all for you. We see a rainbow in the sky, all the colors way up high. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, indigo, violet, all for you. Have a good weekend.